We are back and we bought a van. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Fernie's in her pyjamas, Nat's here, and we are playing with the emus and the goats. I'll let you know what farm this is in a minute, but these love a cuddle. They're so friendly. And the actual llamas and alpacas and that can walk around your campsite. It's a small campsite just north of Devon. It's called Snook's Farm Campsite. Look at this. Look at this. They love it. And it's a tiny, well I say tiny, it's a small campsite, probably 20 to 30 pitches if you was tenting, but there's probably 15 to 20 of us here. There's some massive vans, I'll show you them. Here she is, my beautiful, beautiful girl.
Hey.
First night in the van, was it a success?
Success.
A bit dodgy on the fridge, but we're figuring it out. Right, let's go show you the van. Also, you're on Bournemouth flight path.
That's the first one I've seen.
We've had 3 planes so far, about every hour, every 40 minutes.
No.
So that is not our van. That is not our van either. But our pucker, are they? So this is the campsite.
He's wearing a dress.
Is he? Some people do, Fernie.
No, it's fucking
That's a toilet block. There's no showers here, we don't think. And they've got water. And there's our van. So we've had our first, well, mine and Nat's second night, Fern's first night. So we're still getting used to everything. Everything's everywhere. Don't know how YouTubers make their vans look so clean and pucker. But we'll have a little look. Fern, did you enjoy your first night?
No.
No, Fern hated every minute of it. She's never coming again. So we're in a bit of a state. We got the fridge going because they didn't have a proper fridge, only had a 240 volt. Got the panel up there. Fern stuff everywhere. Still got the window blinds on in a minute. That had a massive wall built in there, and we took that out to save a bit of weight, but we didn't really need to because we were well underweight. But he has used some heavy wood. But so far so good.
So far so good. It's not good.
Oh yeah.
Better than the tent box.
Better than the tent box.
One of them blew their whistles.
So we're all tidied up. Girl's gone to see the goats for a minute. I'd like to do a quick shout out for Life Uncharted, Our Life Uncharted I think it's called. I'll double check, I'll put a link in. The guy with the 2 kids, he goes around helping people, and I messaged him straight away and he voice noted me straight back when I had problems. I needed some new shocks for the van. And also shout out to Up and Atom, he's been helping me out with the electric, so give him a shout if you need anything. He's on YouTube. And Yonder Mountain, he's been giving us great words and chatting to Nat and that. Van's all tidied now. Where are we? So that's it, there's a sofa. A few bits are out, scooters and that, cups. Just filled up with water. And now we're going to head to Studland Beach, so see you in the next bit. Fernie's feeding the last of the goats before we go. What are they called, Fernie?
Goats.
Oh, I thought you named them.
Oh, Billy Goat and Gruff.
Billy Goat and Gruff, how's that? There's your emus. Fern's terrified of them. He's good looking. Look at that one, Fern, at the back, he's good looking.
That one I don't like.
Hey, he looks lovely. Right,
That's Immy.
who wants to go to the beach?
Me!
Just stopped off Sandbanks. I've always wanted to park up here just for the view. So we're just having a little dead shallow as well, so Fernie's going to jump in, I think, probably. A bit dirty there on the screen, sorry about that, guy. Yeah, I'll show you. Nat's just gone to pay the parking. Fernie's loving life. Fernie's going to dive straight in, ain't it, Fernie? Head first. Do a head dive. Got paddle boarders are out. What a beautiful spot. So how shallow it is. Very clear as well. Go on, Fernie, do a flip. Beautiful.
Sausage roll?
Nah, I'm alright, thanks. She's asleep. Half asleep. Half asleep. What a beautiful day. Girls have just gone to, we're on the ferry, so they've just gone up the top, up the steps there, just to have a look around. Fern's first ferry. Literally just there in the background. So I think it's about 12 quid to go over. And I think it just runs on a little chain. It's only a little 10-minute journey. And it's fairly busy. And then we're going to go and enjoy the beach. Just arrived, got to the campervan parking. As you turn down here, we turn to the left, but I'm pretty sure some of the vans can go pretty much anywhere. See a load over on the right side the other day. The naturist beach here, if you go all the way to the end, but we ain't doing that one. Bernie's bought a sausage dog, she's pleased to punch with. And we're just going to go get a ticket. Mum's getting the bag together and then we'll be on the beach. Sitting on the beach, Matt's trying the dog. Fernie was falling all off of it. Matt's giving it a go, and then Fern was going on one of them slides. She found some mates, she's bombing off that. Show you some clips. She sussed it. Beautiful beach, just had the ice cream boat turn up. Kids are swarming it. There's just boats up and down all the time. You got the Jurassic Coast bit, I think that is, or on the way there. Loads of sand dunes behind us.
Fernie already wants to go in the water.
Just had a shower, Fernie. Yeah. Just got the Swanage. We're going to go and get the fish and chips, but they do the best fish and chips.
The famous fish and chips.
Famous fish and chips.
I don't know what it is. I don't know.
It's going to rock your world. What do you think, Studland then, Fernie?
I don't know, but that looks like my mum.
You right there? Fernie, what do you think of Studland?
I don't know.
She loved it. And then we're going to sit up here somewhere and eat our fish and chips.
Sharks, Fernie, that's what they are. Big sharks.
Shall I tell them? Oh no, they're crabbing. Can we crab?
Oh no.
I knew that was going to come up.
No.
Fern and her crabbing. Everyone's crabbing down this wall.
Can we please a bed? Please go crab fishing. Look how big that
Lovely.
fish is.
Always a queue outside this place. Never seen it without it. Hopefully it's a good one again tonight.
first anyway. I got 2 tons of Judy in the account. La 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 la. Then the busy days went rushing by. So if by chance you see us.
Catch her out. Catch her out.
I think the kettle needs a clean. Right guys, that's us for another week. We've been doing everything we found in the fun fair. Fernie's collapsed. Nat's just doing a last minute bit since she's going to pee in the car park. Staying in Swanage in the car park. We're on the chocks. Nat's nearly had a heart attack using the chocks.
I had anxiety.
Bit of anxiety.
A bit?
Bit. Go and have your wee. And then, so we'll see you on the next one. If you've enjoyed it, give us a like and subscribe. Cheers guys.